Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use Airtable for beginners. Airtable is a powerful cloud-based platform that blends the flexibility of a spreadsheet with the robust capabilities of a database. It helps you organize information into structured components like bases, tables, records, and fields. Think of a base as your entire project, containing multiple tables, much like individual worksheets. Each record is a single entry, and fields are the various types of data columns you define. To get started, you'll create your first base. You can either select from a wide array of pre-built templates or begin with a blank canvas. Next, define your tables to logically categorize your data, perhaps one for projects and another for tasks. Then, add fields to each table, choosing from over 20 different types, including single-line text, numbers, dates, and even attachments. Remember to customize field properties for precise data validation. Airtable offers powerful views to help you visualize your data in many ways. The default grid view looks much like a traditional spreadsheet, perfect for quick data entry. However, you can also switch to calendar view for deadlines, Kanban for workflow management, or gallery view for visual assets. Use filters to narrow down your records, sort them by any field, and group them to gain deeper insights into your information. One of Airtable's most powerful features is the ability to link records between different tables, creating a truly relational database. This allows you to connect projects to tasks or clients to invoices seamlessly. You can also collaborate effectively by sharing your bases with team members, assigning specific permissions for each user. Furthermore, automate repetitive tasks with built-in integrations or custom scripts. Airtable is accessible across web, desktop, and mobile platforms.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.